Hi everyone and welcome to Calm Creations. This is my channel here on YouTube where I share all my crafty bits and pieces and things that I've been up to. This is day 3 of the 7 days of spring soiree, where every day I am choosing a new project to work on to see how far I can get. So yesterday I chose at random the little transparent embroidery kit, and when I showed it I'd only done I think 2 of these green stems up here, and here is where I'm up to. So I got all the greenery done, all the leaves done, 3 of the daisies completed, but I got a comment from Aussie Maria wondering if it's hard. It's not hard to stitch on, it's actually really lovely to stitch on. The only thing I struggled with was the petals. So I'm going to do this. I don't know if that's any help. The petals I wanted to look like they were individual petals, and to me they just look a bit flat, but you know, it's not going to be a family heirloom. It's just going to go on my wall, and yeah, so it's really nice to stitch on. I'm happy with how it's come out. So that is my transparent embroidery kit. So we have got to draw another one for tomorrow, and we've only got, what have we got left? 4 left. Okay, here we go, picking one out. There we go. What have we got for tomorrow? Tomorrow is the Prairie Schooler ornaments. So, where are they? They're here. I've just put them all in my little pencil case. One of them's finished, and so the M is finished, and then all of the rest are at this stage. They're all stuffed, but I haven't sewn them up or added the trim. So that is tomorrow. Right, that's it from me today, and I will see you all again tomorrow night. Bye.